Welcome to Aberdovey, a charming seaside village located along the stunning west coast of Wales. Known locally as Aberdovey, this picturesque town sits at the mouth of the River Dyfi. Today, we'll explore Aberdovey's fascinating history captured in stunning 4K drone footage. Aberdovey's history dates back centuries. In the 19th century, it was a busy port renowned for trade in slate and timber. Ships docked in its harbour, bringing goods from around the world. As we soar over the waterfront today, notice the colourful houses that line the harbour. Many are remnants of Aberdovey's thriving maritime past. The buildings along the shore are a testament to the village's rich history. These structures, dating back to the 18th and 19th centuries, once housed warehouses and trading posts. The town's connection to the sea is still visible today, preserved in these charming buildings. Aberdovey's location on the River Dyfi gave it strategic importance. The estuary served as a natural harbour, perfect for trade, fishing and shipbuilding. Beyond the town is not only its national parks, rugged mountains and the area's dramatic beauty. Aberdovey's history is deeply intertwined with the surrounding land, having been settled for thousands of years. St. Peter's Church, built in the 14th century, stands as one of Aberdovey's most iconic landmarks. This stone church has witnessed centuries of local history, serving as a place of worship and community for generations. It's a reminder of the village's cultural heritage, standing proudly amid the surrounding landscapes. The surrounding hills and countryside played a key role in Aberdovey's development. The village's location between the mountains and the sea was perfect for trade routes, and its rich farmland supported local agriculture. Over the centuries, the town evolved from a busy port to a tranquil seaside retreat. Today, Aberdovey is also known for its beautiful golf course, the Aberdovey Golf Club. Founded in 1892, the course offers spectacular views of the coastline, with the sea on one side and the hills on the other. It's a perfect spot for enjoying the natural beauty of Aberdovey. As you can see from the aerial view, Aberdovey is a place where history and natural beauty come together. With its picturesque harbour, scenic hills and rich heritage, Aberdovey offers a glimpse into a vibrant past and serene present. Aberdovey's history, from its days as a busy port to its current status as a peaceful village, is captured beautifully in the stunning 4K footage. We hope you enjoyed this area tour of Aberdovey, and we encourage you to visit and experience its history and charm for yourself. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more breathtaking drone footage of remarkable places like Aberdovey.